today I'm back to do this fun festival inspired makeup tutorial. So for this video I am partnering with Covergirl to bring you guys this holographic trendy look. I am using their brand new Melting Pout holographic lip glosses, which are so gorgeous. They're limited edition and you can only get them at Ulta, but I was really inspired by them to create this kind of like monochromatic holographic look. They're perfect for festival season because they kind of give you that mermaid, unicorn kind of look, which is so trendy right now. So if you guys want to see how to create this look, then just keep watching. Okay, to start off the look, I am taking one of the new Katy Perry Katy Kat palettes. This is the shade Hot Cat, and for this I'm going to take the light brown shade in this palette and use this as my crease slash transition color. Next, I'm taking this light purple mauve shade and I am putting that into my crease as well, just to add a little bit of purple so that everything else blends nicely. And then I'm taking both of those shades and putting them on my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking the other new Katy Kat palette in the shade Cool Cat, and I'm going to be taking that kind of iridescent purpley shade and putting that on the inner and outer portions of my eyelid. Next, I'm taking this icy blue shade, and first I'm wetting my brush with the Look Lock Up setting spray, and that's just going to make it a little bit more metallic, but I'm putting the shade onto the center of my eyelid. Then I'm just blending my crease with that purple mauve shade we used earlier, just so there is no harsh lines and everything blends nicely. Next, I'm taking this kind of teal green. It has like blue reflex in there too, and I am taking that and smudging that on my lower lash line as well. Then once again, I'm taking that purple mauve shade and blending right underneath, just so everything transitions nicely. Next, for under the brow bone, I'm taking this silvery shade and popping that right underneath my brow just to give it a little lift and make it extra sparkly up there. Next, using the new Get In Line eyeliner in the color Major Matte Black, I'm going to be lining my upper lash line. And this is a really nice, really pigmented, easy to use black liner, and like I said, it is matte. It comes in a few other shades as well though. Then I'm just going in with mascara. This is the Peacock Flare Mascara. Then I'm taking the Katy Kat Wink false eyelashes in the style Cat Whiskers. So first I'm applying these, and then I'm actually going to stack another pair on top of that just to make like a custom lash. So here's the other pair. This is called Graphic Cat, and I cut those and I'm just placing them kind of like in the center of my eye. Next, I'm going in with blush. This is the TRUBLEND blush in the shade Deep Mauve, and I am applying this heavily to my cheeks, also to my temples and into my forehead, just to make it look really, really purpley, I guess. But it looks really pretty, and I feel like it adds to the look just to have a little bit of extra color going on the sides of the face. Now I'm going to be highlighting with the new VITALIST Healthy Glow highlighters. They come in these cute little pots and I love the texture of these. This is the shade Starshine, just because I need to get my shine on. So I'm adding it to my cheekbones and then also a little bit to the tip of my nose. Then to amp up the look even more, I'm adding this little star confetti glitter to the temples of my face, just to add like a little bit of extraness. So they're just little gold and silver stars, and I am placing them with some glitter glue onto my cheeks. Then taking that same shade we use on the brow bone, I am adding that to my inner corner because you cannot forget the inner corner highlight. And then lastly, I am adding some Peacock Flare Mascara to my bottom lashes to finish up the eyes. Now moving on to the lips, I'm taking one of the new Melting Pout Matte Liquid Lipsticks, and this is in the shade Current Nude. I absolutely love this shade. Then on top of that, I'm layering one of the new Melting Pout holographic lip glosses, and this one is in the shade Tingles, and it is so cool. I love these holographic shades. They have 8 of them, but this one is my favorite. So this kind of just inspired the whole look, but I love it. I think it just really pulls the whole vibe together. So then I'm taking a bunch of the eyeshadows, mixing them all together, and then applying them all over my chest, décolleté, shoulder area, just to get it nice and poppin'. And then again with the Look Luck Up setting spray to complete the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this holographic festival look. Everything I used will be in the description box below, and thank you for watching.
Oh no, I'm never going to get those back.